So we have this little door here, just grab it and pull it out. Okay, it has these holding elements there, plus this one on the bottom, there and there will enter. Okay, and here we have another set of tools, and to get it out we have this thing here. Unscrew it, rotate it to the left. Okay, and take it out. It's heavy. There's the screw. And that's the set of tools. It looks like this, and it can be opened also. We were unscrewing this one. Okay, and lift up these two things, and it opens. We have this element. It's empty on this end. That's a solid metal. That has a ratchet mechanism here. The interior is rotating. We have a hook. We have a few screwdrivers. So Torx, another Torx, a smaller Torx, and a flathead. That's the screwdriver itself. Like so. With this one and the extender you can remove these lug nuts. Take care, this one has a protection that needs to be removed with a special key. insert that there, tighten it. Okay, now insert the lower part just behind that one and push in the top. Click and click. That's in the rear of the Renault Espace. Okay, and here's a hook. You can tow the car from that one. Just unscrew it. It's pretty heavy. There's a hose there. Whatever. Insert the top part, move it up, and then click down the bottom. You can use that here in the back also. The same thing, you have to screw it in. More, not just 2 threads like I did. So insert the lower one and then push in the top one.